Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on curl, gradient and divergence. So this question is on this question is about the gradient and the directional derivative. It says let f of x comma y be given as x square y. Then find gradient f at the point is given as 3 comma 2 and directional derivative in the direction one comma 1. First question first. The first one says you have to find the gradient at 3 comma 2. So obviously we can see in the general expression or in the general formula we have given the term as df by dx, dy by dy and df by dz. But now that this function is having only two variables x and y, then definitely we won't have any derivative with respect to z. So you can say the gradient f will be df by dx I component df by dy j, and though not required in this case, the general formula is like this. But now that the function is not depending on z, or it is constant with respect to z, this term is going to be 0. And with respect to x and y, the derivative is going to be, with respect to x it is going to be 2x y for I cap, and with respect to y this is going to be simply x square k. So this is grade f. Now we have to find this at the point 3 comma 2. So this grade f will simply become, putting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, will get 2 into 3 into 2, which will be 12 I cap, and this is only depending on x square, so 3 square, which will be 9 j cap. This will be j and this one also will be j cap and j cap, right? So we are finding this at 3 comma 2 and this is the value we are getting. Now the next question is, B part says we have to find the directional derivative in the direction of 1 comma 1. So this 1 a is given as I plus j because both the components are 1. Also we can find a cap, which will be I plus j divided by under root of 1 square plus 1 square, which will become I by root 2 plus j by root 2, or you can keep this 1 by root 2 common also. Now this directional derivative duf will be given as this gradient, this you won't have a dot here, gradient won't have a dot, gradient dot unit vector a, and this is 12i plus 9j into I plus j divided by, let's say, root 12. So this becomes 12 I dot I and j dot j. So 12 plus 9, which is 21 by root 12. This will be the value of the directional derivative in the direction 1 comma 1 for the gradient f given at 3 comma